We'll solve number 5. When you see this fraction, what do you see? There's addition and multiplication sign. Which one we need to do first? According to pandas, we do multiplication first and then do addition, even though addition is written first. So let me write it down the problem again, like this. And then I will rewrite it in fraction form, so that we can multiply this numerator and numerator together and denominator together. So it is going to be 1/3 and 48/9. Next thing we do is simplify this fraction. Maybe we can divide it by 3. Then what we have is 16 and 3. Wow, their denominator is same. So now we can just simply add those two fractions. 1 plus 16 is 17, and denominator is 3. You know, we don't want to write answers as improper fraction, so we're going to convert this improper fraction to mixed number. So what we can do is 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So the answer is 5/2/3.